welcome to my channel. I'm Dan. Did you guys say hi? I'm a bit shy because we're actually vlogging. Hello. Hi, Kamerad. How's everything?
Oh, excellent, my love. Have you been in Teppanyaki before?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, it's my first time too. Anyway, let me introduce myself. My name is Barl. I'm gonna be a waiter from Philippines, along with my partner that I will introduce to you shortly. Anyway, this kind of travel because you have a menu already. May I ask you if you have any food dietary restriction here or allergy?
No, we don't have.
Okay, we'll take care of that. Anyway, it's nobody cooking here. It's only me and you, okay?
Okay.
So, let me tell you about the concept of Teppanyaki. Teppanyaki is a live cooking interactive show with our expert chef, elevate cooking to a performance art form. And you get a front row seat to the show. Yeah? So, for your dinner, we will be serving you a complimentary appetizer, a green mixed salad with a ginger dressing, or hot or Japanese rice dough, like a mochi.
Okay, hi. So I'm actually overwhelmed. I don't know what to order. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm a feeler. Sitting here.
Samurai. He said it's the good one is samurai. This one is complimentary.
Okay.
Now if you want to take this one is extra charge. Now we have this premium combo. You can have this one, choose this one, and this one, samurai. With tenderloin.
My name is Chinky.
Okay, you have your
I'd like to have this. I think I'm having samurai.
how would you like it?
Beef, I want it medium.
Medium? With the tiger shrimp.
What are the other options?
If you like lobster, go ahead. Would you like chicken breast with everything in line? It's up to you how you're gonna do mix them.
Oh, okay, so I can choose from this. I think I'm just gonna have chicken breast.
Chicken breast. How about for your anything else? You order with tenderloin medium with a combination with chicken breast. Okay, thank you. Vanessa.
Crispy Philly! My favorite. Is it your favorite too? Okay, rolling. So we have actually a dinner off for a week, and so we decided to eat at Teppanyaki tonight. And first of all, of course, it's very common in Asia, especially in Japan, that you have this hot towel before you eat. Yeah, right? Okay, so now I'm unfolding my napkin.
Put here because
Mine is already black, so I don't care. Okay, so I ordered miso soup for my appetizer. And
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Yep.
please enjoy your starter.
crispy Philly. I don't know how to use chopsticks. I'll be very honest. But let's see. This is really the best. Crispy Philly. Nahulog.
This one is complicated.
Hi, so these are our friends from Brazil. How was your food?
It's good, delicious.
You like it?
Yes.
What did you order?
A salad.
Salad.
Jessica, you speak French.
Yeah, she speaks French. So Jessica is from Mauritius, and then Valdez is from
Jamaica!
Jamaica!
No problem.
And Suri is from Ukraine. How's everything? Can you tell us about teppanyaki?
Okay, teppanyaki. The word teppan means iron griddle. Yaki is a style of cooking. So
Oh,
the
wow.
food cooked on the iron griddle. Okay, teppan in Japanese is iron griddle. Similar to
Alright.
hibachi. Hibachi is also iron griddle. Right? Okay.
Great.
In Japanese we say irashaimase. Konbawa. Konbawa is good evening.
Yes.
Genki desu ka?
Konbawa.
Ohayo is good day.
Thank you.
So good evening, how's everybody?
Great.
Ukraine, Jamaica. Where are you from? Sorry? Mauritius. Mauritius.
Brazil.
Mauritius, yeah. Sorry for my accent. And then Brazil and Philippines.
Philippines.
Just to wake you up.
Hey, 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 hey. 2, 3, 4.
Merry Christmas, I give you my heart.
Already? You're giving away this year.
And it is something special. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas in advance. Okay, next month is already lose myself. Okay, my name is Orlando Soleta and I will be selfie. And I forgot it. And I'll be your fake Japanese chef for tonight. Okay, so whether you like it or not, you don't have any choice. Okay? And I live in Japan. Japan Street, Manila, Philippines. Okay? And now, washi a little bit, huh? That's Chinky?
Yes,
Filipino,
sir.
Did you mean chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, and whoop, aha, a little bit lucky. Japanese helicopter all the way from Jamaica. Yaman. This one is me, okay? Japanese, huh? And oh, Scarface. No more smiling face. Garlic is good for everybody. Okay,
Yes.
good. But one thing, garlic is good for your heart. Selfie first. But not in your mouth, okay? That's my perfume every night. That's why until now I'm so single, okay? They only like me when they are hungry, okay? And, yummy, yummy. A little bit more. Everybody's first. A little bit more. Oh. Okay, and now let's start putting your rice. But first you mix it and mix it, huh? Everybody like rice, right?
Yes.
Good. More rice, more power, okay? Rice, rice, baby, huh? Yeah, rice, rice, baby. Ding, 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 ding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cherry, open your mouth. Ready? Boy.
Boy.
Boy? Boy, ready? Who's gonna be the winner? 1, 2, and 3. It's an egg, sorry. No, that's correct. No. My God, thank you very much. Okay, I told you no more practice, long time. Japanese passport. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu. And now, omelette. In Japan, we call this one tamagoyaki, okay?
Tamagoyaki.
How about in Brazil? How do you call this one? Omelette. Same. How about Ukraine? Omelette. How about in Philippines? How do we call this one?
Torta ang itlog.
No, it's burnt egg, okay? Okay, no.
Okay.
Japanese chili and ginger
onion.
Alright.
That's my job. Maybe let's try to do this one. Sometimes for the other it's already salty, for the others not yet. Huh? You can add some more if you want. We have 1, 2, 3 slices on the side, okay? Yummy, yummy. Fried rice on my tummy, huh? In Japan. Okay, and move it. I'll try this one. But let's move it. That's a Japanese street train. Oh. Now let's put some lava. I need a lava. Don't make it, don't be lava. Don't be shy. Nothing? Oh, Let's put it here. Very happy. Something different. More power, huh? Don't be shy, okay? I don't want to see you in comments after this, okay? No more, huh? No more comments, okay? And turn it. Ooh. And turn it, huh? So only Burberry, no honeymooners, right? Okay, no divorce also, okay? We're not celebrating divorce, right? We're not celebrating it, right? But it depends.
Mamita,
Now,
enjoying her food?
move it and move it, huh? Bit more. Pepper. Salt, huh?
I think
Look at that.
Butter. And a slice of okay?
Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
We're gonna fly later.
Okay, by the way, see you in your main course. This one only appetizer, huh? Still have main course, huh? Thank you very much. Huh? Where it goes? 1, 2, 3. Now look at the egg, huh? Follow wherever it goes. 1, 2, and 3. My fault. One more.
To break us. No! You like it?
Very nice. I recommend.
5 star? 10 out of 10? Birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. It's time for dessert. What do you have?
Green tea, strawberry, and chocolate.
Okay. Yung friend ko iba yun sa kanya. Okay, so let's try.
you can take my
Oh my gosh. Chocolate, I guess.
Thank you.
I don't want this, I don't like it. No good.
It's good.
Not really.
Yay!
It's mochi.
You cannot bring dessert
Maybe.
Try it, no? Brown tea, brown rice. What is? Yeah, I want to try the brown rice.
Okay guys, once again, thanks a lot.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for everything, sir. Yeah, this is it. This is the one that I've tried before.
So I hope you all